that there.
What kind of cake are you making?
I remember.
Say it loud.
Madeira.
Madeira cake.
Madeira cake.
Good boy. Now, remember what we have to do?
Well,
Yeah. Take a scoop. And a bit more. Excellent.
can I put lemon in?
Lemon? No, not yet.
Why?
You have to put an egg in.
Can I put lemon in?
You can put lemon in a minute. Let's do this one. Ready?
Wow.
Good mixing.
Making a loud noise.
Yeah.
I like watching Hayley.